जय श्रीमन्नारायण 92nd नामम फ्रॉम श्री विष्णु सहस्रनामम। ओम संवत्सराय नमः। हो श्रीमन्नारायण, whenever we get a thought of learning about you, thought of enjoying you, thought of offering some services to you, the moment we get a thought like this, you will come and stay with us forever and make sure that thought becomes a desire and very, very strong desire, and you will make sure you will guide us to proceed in that path to come to you and offer services to you. Ho Srimannarayana, please be with me all the time and guide me towards you. Ho Srimannarayana, I surrender to you. Om Samvatsaraya Namaha. Om Samvatsaraya Namaha. As our guiding force, Srimannarayana is residing within our own heart. Realizing that, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Ramayanam, Vasishtha Maharshi, along with Vishwamitra Maharshi, came to Kalyana Mandapam. Janaka Maharaju is there along with Sita, Urmila, Mandavi, Shrutakirti. Dasharatha Maharaju is there along with Rama, Bharata, Lakshmana, Shatrughna. Now Janaka Maharaju is saying that, "Ho Brahmarshi Vasishtha Maharshi, you please perform the marriage ceremony." Having Vishwamitra Maharshi and Satananda Maharshi assisting you, please carry on and make sure such wonderful marriage ceremony by which all the worlds are going to enjoy. Ramasya Lokaramasya Kriyam Vaivahikim Vibho. Such a wonderful marriage ceremony should be performed by you, by which all the worlds should enjoy. Like this, when Janaka Maharaju requested Vasishtha Maharshi, Vasishtha Maharshi along with Satananda, Vishwamitra came to Kalyana Mandapam and started making arrangements with all the ingredients like turmeric powder, kunkumam, chandanam. Everything is arranged and the mantras started chanting, and then they started chanting mantras, and they also started doing Homam. Agni Pratishtha is done and Homam is going on. Then Janaka Maharaju bringing Sitamma. While all the worlds are enjoying and witnessing, such a wonderfully decorated Sitamma, beautifully decorated Sitamma is brought by Janaka Maharaju. Tatas Sitam Samaniya Sarvabharana Bhushitam. It is said, in the sky all the stars are craving to see Sitamma. It is said, Naiva Gandharva, Nacha Devi, Nacha Kinnari. Such a beautiful and wonderful, delicate, such great qualities accompanied such a beautiful personification is never seen anywhere like Sitamma. Such Sitamma is brought by Janaka Maharaju to Kalyana Mandapam, and Janaka Maharaju is going to be doing Kanyadanam. Who is this Janaka? Great Yogeswareswara Sri Krishna Paramatma himself taken Janaka Maharaju as an example as Karma Yogi in Bhagavad Gita. Such Janaka Maharaju is now going to do Kanyadanam. When Sitamma is kept right in front of Sri Ramachandra Swami, all the rishis, Brahmarshis, Brahmajnanis, Devatas have seen such a wonderful scene, and they felt that may there be any evil vision fall on this Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami. They immediately started offering their protection in the form of chanting of Mangalashtakas, Sri Lakshmi Kamalalaya, Vasumati, Rama, Jagadrakshani, Kalyani, Sakaleswari, Sarasija, Bhagyanusandhayini, Sobhangi, Vimaleswari, Vimalini, Narayani, Sri Sati, Payanno Bhagavan Purana Purushak Kuryat, Sada Mangalam, Savadhanaha, Sumuhurte Savadhanaha, Sulagne Savadhanaha. Everybody started offering their protection to Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami out of their outpouring affection and love and devotion towards Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami. Now Janaka Maharaj is going to be giving away the Sitamma's hand to Ramachandra Swami's hand. He is going to put Sitamma's hand in Ramachandra Swami's hand with the chanting of Mahasankalpa Mantram. Such beautiful Kanyadanam, Sankalpa Mantra Patanam is going on. Adhanantasya Viryasya, Srimadadi Narayanasya, Achintya Parimita Sektya Bhriyamanasya, Mahajalogha Madhye Paribhramananam, Aneka Kodi Brahmandanam Ekatame. While taking witness of all the lokas, Janaka Maharaju is doing Kanyadanam. Atala Vitala Sutala Rasatala Mahatala Pataladi Saptalokanam Bhuloka Bhuvarloka Suvarloka Maharloka Janaloka Tapoloka Satyadiloka Saptakana Madhobhage. While taking witness of all the lokas, while taking witness of all the countries like Anga, Vanga, Kalinga, Kashmira, Kambhoja, Sauvira, Saurashtra, Maharashtra, Magadha, Malava, Nepala, Kerala, Chola, Panchala, Gaula, Malayala, Simhala, Dravida, Karnata, Nata, Karata, Panata, Pandya, Pulinda, Andhra, Huna, Desarna, Bhoja, Kukkuru, Gandhara, Vidarbha, Videha, Baklika, Barbara, Kekaya, Kosala, Kuntala, Kirata, Sura, Sena, Sevana, Tinkana, Konkana, Matsya, Madra, Parsva, Ghurjara, Yavana, Jala, Andhra, Salvachedi, Aneka, Desa, Bhasha, Bhumi, Palai, Paripalite. While the mantra, Mahasankalpa mantra Patanam is going on, Janaka Maharaju giving Sitamma's hand to Ramachandra Swami's hand and saying that Rama, this is my life, this is my pranam, my Sita, I am giving it to you. Sita, Mamasuta, Sahadharmacharitava, Pratichachainam, Bhadrante, Panim Grunishva Panina, Pativrata, Mahabhaga, Chayeva, Anugata Sada. This Sita is going to be accompanied with you in all circumstances, through all situations, supporting you in every of your righteous aspect. That is what Janaka Maharaj announcing and doing Kanyadanam. He gave Sitamma, he dedicated Sitamma to Ramachandra Swami, he donated Sitamma to Ramachandra Swami, he offered Sitamma to Ramachandra Swami. Kanyadanam is successfully done. Mantraputam jalam tada deva dundubhinirghosha pushpavarsho mahanabhut. All the devatas are showering their flowers, showering their blessings. Everybody started dancing. Gandharvas are dancing. All the categorized devatas are doing and playing their own instruments in the memory of, in the pleasure of, in the happiness of such a wonderful marriage of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Swami. Now Janaka Maharaju asking Lakshmana, please come here and accept Urmila. Bharata, please accept Mandavi. Shatrughna, please accept Shrutakirti. Like that, Janaka Maharaju did Kanyadanam for 4 of his daughters to 4 sons of Dasharatha Maharaju. They all did Agnim Pradakshini Krutya. Agni Pradakshinam is done. All the Rishis, Brahmarshis, Maharshis, everybody gave their blessings to new wedded couple. And such a Vivahe Raghumukhyanam Tad Adbhutam Adrusyata. Such a wonderful marriage is successfully done. Everybody enjoyed, entire world enjoyed, all the worlds enjoyed, we also enjoyed. Let us see what is going to happen tomorrow. With the meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, new wedded couple, while enjoying their divine beauty, while enjoying their coupleness, while enjoying their such a wonderful Kalyana Gunas, let us now sing their glory. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama 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 Dasharatha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama. 10th sloka. Suresaha Sharanam Sarma Visvaretaha Prajabhavaha Ahaha Samvatsaro Vyalaha Pratyayaha Sarvadarshanaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Shriman Narayana. Om Samvatsaraya Namaha. Om Samvatsaraya Namaha. Om Samvatsaraya Namaha.